Hello guys. Okay, now I'm going to do a smaller slate. Okay, this one is it's a 6x6. I believe it is. I will correct myself when I edit the video if I'm wrong. So I'm going to do a mini one. Okay. So I'm going to use a black. Here, I'll show you. I wanted to do this one really quick. I'll do a black. Because what we'll do on this one here is we'll just do a full black background. Oops. On my little stand. I gotta figure out how to put a link for stuff I buy on Amazon so you guys can pick up the same thing without having to search for it and all that. See what we can do about that. I'll try to do something like that this week. Oh, I thought I had a crack in it, and it's not a crack, it's just black paint. Okay. Alrighty. Let's go for it. What? There they are. What's going on? I know I have some napkins. What if we did a... Oh, I like the blow dryer. I keep doing that for a bit. Okay. Let's go with my white. Well, now, there you go. I don't have any black right there. Oops. Ooh. What was that? What was that? What was that? All right, let's just go like this. I use a blow dryer on this. See if I can just make some tiny blooms. And we'll see what happens. A little bit more of that. I like that across that black. Does look pretty good. And I got some red here. These are craft art craft. Guess is what it's called. I'm gonna put some of that yellow in here that's got activator in it. Let's do that. Okay. All right, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of white on that. Okay. Let's get out the blow dryer. I don't know, never tried it on one of these. So I did it on a bigger slate though. You guys might have seen that video. No, that's gonna white it out. That's gonna white it out. I gotta use black. Gotta use black. I think I'm learning, guys. I don't know. I'm guessing. So here we go. Hard. Woohoo! Really well then. This is a little different. There we go. There we go. Wow. Wow. It's Let's open that up a bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. Blow dryer eruption. Let me get a cleaner one. I know I got a cleaner one. Where'd they go? There they are. And there we go. Let's heat that up. See what it does. Get some more cells out of it. A little different. There we go. There we go. And leave it at that. Yeehaw! What do you think? I'll bring you in for a close-up, all right, guys? Oop, another spot right there. It's all right. We finger paint here, too. Nobody's going to get upset if you fingerprint. No, nobody's going to care. They won't even know. How'd you do that paint? Well, I used a blow dryer and my finger. Oh, think they're going to believe me? Watch my video, dude. Wow, this is really selling out here now. Let's check this out up close. All right, hold on, folks. Whoop. Oh, wow. Okay, this is a 6x6 slate. Wow. Impressive, impressive. Let's give it a spin. See what it looks like. Wow. I like it. You like it? Cool. Okay, guys. Subscribe, please. Give me a like. Thumbs up. Hit that bell. If you want to know when my next ones are going to come out. Okay. Wow, look at these patterns over here off of the side. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a great day.